News, Kano.
And the Senate Committee on Health has commended Lagos University Teaching Hospital on its commitment in upgrading infrastructure in the health institution. The Chairperson, Senate Committee on Health, Secondary and Tertiary Services, Dr. Ipalibo Harry-Banigo, gave the commendation during an oversight visit to LUTH, Idi-Araba, Lagos State. She applauded the Chief Medical Director of LUTH, Professor Wasiu Adeyemo, and his team for ensuring equality health services, not just for Nigerians, but also to people from outside the country. Senator Harry-Banigo said that the committee was also happy with the ongoing expansion from the 2023 budget and encouraged health workers to stay back in the country to help government improve the sector.
I'm using this medium to beg government, they should give us our council bill so that we will be able to regulate the practice of herbal medicine. So those who are quack herbal doctors, we will be able to examine them and introduce the modern herbal practice to them. Why can't we introduce, courses where people can study traditional medicine from certificate course to PhD level? We are clamoring for this as well. And please, I'm using this medium to tell government the time has arrived for us to begin to even integrate herbal medicine into the primary health care delivery.
If you look at countries like India, China, and all of those countries, they are looking into nature. They are looking into their local natural products, because these are products that doesn't contain anything that has to do with artificial, content. Here we're talking about roots. We're talking about nature.
I believe in the potency of.
And the Senate Committee on Health has commended Lagos University Teaching Hospital on its commitment in upgrading infrastructure in the health institution. The Chairperson, Senate Committee on Health, Secondary and Tertiary Services, Dr. Ipalibo Harry-Banigo, gave the commendation during an oversight visit to LUTH, Idi-Araba, Lagos State. She applauded the Chief Medical Director of LUTH, Professor Wasiu Adeyemo, and his team for ensuring quality health services, not just for Nigerians, but also to prepare for people outside the country. Senator Harry-Banigo said the committee was also happy with the ongoing expansion from the 2023 budget and encouraged health workers to stay back in the country to help government improve the sector.
I have listened to them to know what their constraints are, how much they have been able to implement the budget, what have been their achievements, and what are their constraints. And basically, with the new wards that are coming up, definitely we're going to need more staffing. And so we want to encourage our health workers that they should put hands together. Nigeria is a wonderful place. Lagos is a good place to work in. So we want our health workers to stay back and serve this great nation that we have. We know that things are not every time as good as we want it to be. But that's why we are going to stay here and make it work. And we also need that bit of patriotism. So I want to encourage the staff here and the team here, the CMD and his team, encourage them to keep doing what they have been doing. That we, as a Senate Committee on Health, we will support them and give them all the backing that they need.
They went around and saw some of our facilities, the urology theater, the renal theater, East 6 Ward, the ongoing project, the DOT Center for the treatment of tuberculosis, also the geriatric building rising up, and also took them to our new outpatient center. And they are impressed.
You're watching TVC News. We'll take a